Technology facilitates many things for us to make our life easier than what we can imagine. We used to go shopping when we need to purchase something. But now we do not need to do that or even to go out and leave our homes because everything is reachable and can be easily found in front of us through a few clicks. Online shopping sites can be found now in large numbers, which helps you to look for what you need on different websites and purchase the best or what suits you more. Here is a quick glance at the best online shopping. Etsy is a global online marketplace where people come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique items. It was launched in 2005 and is based in Brooklyn, New York City, United States. This e-commerce website specializes in offering different vintage, handmade, and factory manufactured items that you may need, such as clothing, jewelry, art, beauty products, and more. You have also the ability to check top picks that are chosen by other Etsy members like you. It is an American multinational retailer that provides you with everything you may need, such as electronics, video games, home furnishing, clothes, jewelries, toys, automobiles, gifts, sports, and other items at good prices to meet your budget and satisfy your needs. It is one of the biggest online shopping stores in the United Kingdom that specializes in presenting everything related to beauty and fashion, including accessories, men's and women's wear. It helps you to narrow your search through making use of trends and collection features, in addition to the ability to buy and sell pre-owned clothes through the online marketplace that is presented to you. It is one of the most popular online auction and shopping websites that can be found in the whole world. It was founded in 1995 by Piero Midyar and is headquartered in San Jose, California, United States. It helps you to buy and sell different products, which makes this site beneficial for both buyers and sellers. It is known as the most popular and ranked as the biggest online shopping store in the USA and the whole world, and not just in the United States. It was founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos and is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, United States. It started as an online bookstore and quickly diversified to offer everything you need. It provides its customers with several features such as multiple easy payment methods, discounts, quick checkout, fast delivery, and a wide range of items at good prices.